Welcome to JC Outdoor Fever. Today we're in the UP at Strouble Lake. So come along, it's a huge lake. There's 3 docks over there, so I assume there's 3 different houses over there. From the looks of it, that's the only houses on this big lake. Now we're probably not gonna take you all the little nicks and crannies in this lake because it's too big. But it is gorgeous. Let's head out a little bit just to see if it gets deeper. As of right now, it looks like it's just probably 2 to 3 feet deep. And not a lot of weeds. It's kind of like a muck bottom. I got a heavy rain last night, so there we go. We're out a little bit deeper, but it's still come back up. It's pretty darn shallow here. There's some weeds. What do you think, Susie?
About what?
The lake. Gorgeous.
Pretty.
Yes, it is. Oh yeah. It is so nice out here. Yep, chasing bugs. Yeah, they're definitely oh, you talk about the June bugs or the water bugs. You were talking about the bugs they're out here riding around in. The Dune buggy. Oh yeah, shade. Shade.
Only shade on this whole lake.
Yep. I think it's a bunch of those dune buggies that we seen earlier when we were riding around. They can sit and take a break. Looks like somebody pulled right up there with their boat.
Summer.
Probably go camping right there. You know?
She's freaking out of it, so. I think a reed hit her and she jumped about a foot.
Oh yeah. Look at this. Water's quite a ways down. Yeah. An old maple tree. Well, this is gorgeous. This is what we came up to the UP for, is to be on lakes this big with no houses. Absolutely gorgeous. What do you think? Are we gonna like out halfway in the middle of the lake and there's still about 2 foot of water and pads. Yeah. So we're investigating to see if this is a little point or if this is actually an island.
I got a wine butt.
Psalms, no whining. You be good. Actually, the water is getting shallower here. There's a couple spots here that's really shallow. Probably less than 2 foot deep. Picked up a hitchhiker. I got the Psalms. She's whining. It is pretty hot. I got some water behind you. You want to drink some water? Otherwise, we're going to go up here and check this out. Okay? Can we go through there? Whoa! Something big took off. I don't know what it was. It was sitting up here on shore. Hang on, Psalms. Mom's taking us. Whoa! It was fish. Uh-oh. No, I'm stuck. There was fish up there and hiding. You're getting it. We might be able to get through, but not right there. Hmm? Let's try right over here. I don't know if this is any better. Yeah. Nope. Looks like it's just a shell. So we have no choice but to go around some. They dropped in, Psalms. The turtles dropped in. Yeah. It's a big island. Alright, let's check this out and see if it gets too shallow to go close or not. So far it's deep enough. There's a log. Uh-oh. Running out of water fast. Abort. There we go. Woo! That was close, Psalms. We were running out of water fast. That's gorgeous. Yeah, look how much water we're skipping. How much area just because there's this so much to see.
There's a sign. There's something right there. What is that?
I don't know. There's a trail up there. There's a muskrat trail or a beaver trail. Got one right there too. It looks like just an old deer blind, or not deer blind, like a duck hunting blind. so they can use their boat and get up here and then hunt for ducks or something. Wow. Now let's see, over on this side of the island, the water is nice and clear. It's gorgeous. Yeah, who knows? It's old, whatever it is. Falling apart. Alright, so next question is, are we going to paddle across and hit that section of the lake and then back around?
Maybe. On the
Backside of the island, yep. And already it's deeper. So this must be like the deep side of the lake. But then there's a reed island out there, so hey, it's hard to tell.
It feels a lot cooler right over here.
It does. And we got the cloud blocking the sun a little, that helps.
And the breeze.
And a nice breeze. The truck is way over there, so we went around the island and come around to this another little island. It's a reed island. And then we'll cut off to the left and we'll do this section of the lake over here, because we don't have a whole lot of time to go all the way around the edge. So we want to see what this is all about. If I had my fishing pole, this is where I'd be fishing, right here. This is so cool. Drops right off and up to the island. There's probably some big old pike up in here, just sitting. Oh yeah. A little bit of wood here and there down on the bottom. Not a whole lot of other weeds though. No pike weeds. No ambush weeds. Huh. Nice. Isn't this nice, Sums? Yeah. And then it looks like it drops off pretty fast right there. Yeah, like little flowers at the tips or something.
I'd like to take a picture of them.
I'll slow down. Yeah, that's pretty neat. Oh no. 1.2 miles. We've gone quite a ways. Truck is way over there and we zipped around the island, come around, we bypassed that whole section of the lake there and then to here. So alright, Sons, we get to see what's around the bend here. Looks like it goes quite a ways up in there too. No spider web trick. Oh yeah, it goes quite a ways up there. If you want to. Looks like you got some rain clouds building. Yeah, we got some rain clouds building over there, it looks like. The heat of the day.
Well, it's supposed to rain tomorrow.
We got ourselves an island here, a little, or just a weed bed.
Where are we going now?
Well, I was gonna cut this. We're gonna cut that section of the lake off because we got some packing to do to get on up to Lake Superior tomorrow. So We got to pack some stuff tonight. It's supposed to rain in the morning. Less stuff we have to do in the rain, the better. And there's this huge patch of reeds right here, so as far as you can see, there's reeds. So I would say this whole section of the lake is not very deep. The deep section is probably over on that, on the west side, I guess. I'm not sure which way we're facing, but the sun's over there, so maybe it's the southwest side. I don't know. Anyways, look at this. Oh, calm down there, little cheeks. Just calm down. I know we're out in the middle of the lake, but it's not very deep here. Eesh. We zipped across the lake, which is, we zipped across through there, and we're heading over this little calm area, and then there's a little point here, and then there's a log cabin, it looks like, or at least some kind of cabin over there, and then our truck's over there. So we skipped that area there, but if we camp here another day in the future, maybe I'll do some fishing. I'll check that out. But let's see what's around the corner here. Hopefully we won't get too shallow in the water here. We're gonna cut this point. The sun went bye-bye. Yeah, the sun went bye-bye. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Want me to break trail?
Yeah.
I can break trail. That way I can take the weeds or the spider webs off for you. Oh, I just whacked her with a reed. Oh, my paddle hit the reed and went down and whacked her. Now it's a little too shallow to get up in there. Looks like there might be a little island up there. Straight ahead. Oh, we're heading home. Yeah, I was watching. They were out on the dock. Oh, isn't that cute? We got some guest cabins right there. Alright, sounds. Wow. Goes in quite a ways, doesn't it? Said it goes in a lot further than I thought. Yes, sirree. That's one house, and that's probably another house, and that's probably, you know, cabin, two cabins. More likely. Well, thanks for watching JC Outdoor Fever. Get out and please subscribe. Hey, thanks for watching, and please hit the subscribe button.